Scottails. Ooh. Hi, thank you everybody, and welcome to a very special edition of Scottails. My name is Scott Hostetler, and the reason this one is so special is it's our Mother's Mocktail show, and it's for mothers-to-be and for people who are enjoying dry months and want something delicious to drink, or just people who don't care for alcohol but still want to have something different and refreshing to drink. We've got two great drinks plus a surprise at the end, and then they're delicious. The grapefruit rosemary sparkler and the beautiful butterfly pea flower refresher. Now, a toddler, for you mothers, a toddler can do more in one unsupervised minute than most people can do all day. Speaking, do you know what the fastest land animal is? A toddler who's just been asked, "What's in your mouth?" Okay, let's go to the grapefruit rosemary sparkler. We're going to start with a glass with ice with 4 ounces of fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. Fresh squeezed. Always use fresh squeezed because anything else is unacceptable. Okay, and then we're going to use 1 ounce of rosemary syrup. Now I'm going to tell you how to make that in a momentito. 1 ounce of rosemary syrup, and then we just top that off with some sparkling water we made just a little while ago. Terrific! Good bubbles. We give it just a quick little stir. And that sound means, everybody, it's time to drink. And then we're going to garnish with a rosemary sprig and a grapefruit slice. Shall we give this a try? I think we should.
Yes!
That's terrific. It tastes like a grapefruit soda, but fresh and just wonderful. Oh, I think everybody in your group is going to like that for dry January or February or the dry 22. Now, how do you make rosemary syrup? I'm glad you asked. You take half a cup of sugar and half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of coarsely chopped rosemary. Luckily, I've got lots of rosemary in my garden. Put the ingredients in a small saucepan over medium to high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Then remove it from the heat and let it cool. Strain through a fine mesh into a clean jar with a lid, and then keep refrigerated. It'll last 2 to 3 weeks. You know, a mother once told me that a majority of a mother's diet is made up of foods that their kids didn't finish. The butterfly pea flower tea is a wonderful herbal tea that you can get online or at any health food store. So what you want to do is make the tea, boil some water, brew your tea 5 to 10 minutes, however you like the strength of it, and then strain out the flowers. That'll give you a nice blue tea. You know, silence is golden, unless you have kids, and then silence is suspicious. How do we make this wonderful drink? Let me tell you. We take a glass with ice and we put in about 4 ounces of sparkling lemonade. Let the sparkle go. Good. Good. Then, over a spoon, we slowly pour in the tea because we want a nice separation. Slowly. This is a beautiful drink. You can see the blue is turning to purple. Ooh, slow, slow, slow. This is great for Mother's Day or any type of a function you're having where you want to impress your friends with your culinary expertise. Oh, boy, that looks good. Then you just garnish with an edible flower. I'm using Johnson's Blue Geraniums. And then we could give it a taste. Now, serve it like this because it's impressive. Your guests will love it. But before you drink it, you'll want everybody to stir it up themselves. So give it just a slight stir. Get your geraniums back in it, and let's give it a go.
Yes!
Well, that's nice. It's got your lemonade, of course, and then the lightness of the herbal tea. There's very little sugar. Your friends are going to like that. That's for sure. So that is wonderful. 2 great drinks that your guests were going to enjoy. Now, I promised you a special recipe at the end. Well, this is the extra bonus. The Mother's Iced Coffee recipe. Oh, yes. First, you have to have kids. Second, you make coffee. Third, you forget you made coffee. Fourth, you put it in the microwave. Fifth, you forget you put it in the microwave. Sixth, you just drink it cold. Thank you, everybody. And remember to drink up because it's almost closing time somewhere.